x squared plus 9x plus 2x plus 18. So let's start with our rectangle. And I'm going to have 9x's this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 2x's this way. So 1, 2. So now I'm going to have my x squared is right here. That's an x by x. So this region is my x squared. Then I have 9x's over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if this is 9x and this is x, this must be a plus 9. Then I have 2 more x's over here. 2x. So this must be a plus 2. And then I have 18, because this is a 2 by 9 rectangle down here in the corner. So that's my plus 18. And if I represent this another way, this could be x plus 9 times x plus 2.